Welcome to the channel. Leo never loses, or at least I try not to. So let's take a look at CONY. Let's get right to business right here. Here we go. CONY, $12.18. Remember when she was around 17, 18, I told you she's a bit high. You need to be careful dealing with these ETFs, okay? You need to know what you're doing because you'll get in trouble. Now, like you all know, that's not my average. We already know that. If you follow the channel, you know that's not my average. I did the calculation. It's been 4 months I'm trading already, so I did the calculation. And my average comes out to $11.25, okay? That's my average, $11.25. So I might do some buying if she falls a little more. Let's take a look at the chart. Now remember, keep it simple. Come here, candlesticks. We'll take a look at 3 months. See how she's doing here at 3 months. Let's see. She's at 12.17 right here. 12.17. Let's get this out the way here. Put it down here. Okay. Right there. Okay. Now we got it. Okay. So let's go with, like I showed you in my previous video, very simple. Let's right here. Let's see this candlestick. Remember, over here is where they come out. So it's got 12.15. She's at 12.17. So she's about to break that support, okay? As the last support, she's about to break it. So let's see if she breaks it. Support 12.15 and continue going down. Now, where am I going to buy her? Let's see here. Let's see, 11.24, okay? I'm going to buy her at that last support, 11.24, right there, okay? I'm going to be buying 100 if she falls there. If not, it's okay. I have plenty already. I have 600. That was what I wanted to have for now. So if she falls around 11.20, 11.25, I'll buy some. We'll see how it goes. That's with Connie, okay? She paid. She's going to make a payment today. I think it's a small payment. So let's right here. $502, okay? It's a small payment. I have 603 shares, 83 cents. It paid 83 cents, okay? So $502. Now, that's going to get paid today. So let's take a look at the other one that I have that's going to pay me today as well, okay? We'll take a look at her as well. Let's see here. Right here, Alti. Right now she's at 838. I think that's the low. Let's see. Yep, 835. 52-week low, 835. So she's very low. You need to be careful with her. My average with her is 803. Okay. 803. Remember, that's not my average. I deduct all my distribution, and then that's my real average. I explained that in other videos, okay? Because if you buy it here now, you'll be depleting from your distribution. I don't do that because these are very dangerous. So that's something I try not to do, okay? So right now my average is 803. She needs to fall even more. If she falls more, I'll buy 50, 75. If not, we'll see. Okay? I'm not even going to do a chart for her because she's doing new lows. So that's with her. And her payment right here was also kind of small payment. I have 601 shares. Her payment, 57 cents per share, $343, okay? That was the payment. That's why I'm telling you, If you don't do something on your own and be creative, then you have to wait on whatever they give you, okay? Whatever they give you, however they made it out, and you have to collect that and move on. So now, let's talk about my anchor system right here. Remember my anchor system, they're all puts, 29, 33, 34, 30, okay? They're all, looks like they're going to get a sign. I'm going to let them get a sign. I have no issue with that, okay? Now, she's at 28.54. I'm thinking maybe next week she's going to go a little higher, okay? But remember, that support I told you, 26.50 as a very strong support to the bottom. If she falls under 26.50, maybe around 24, I will buy there. Okay, I will buy there around 24, but not now, because she's way up there. She's still high. Okay, let's see here. She's still high. Okay, let's see something here. 26.89 right there. 25. Oh, 26, you see? So you got to be careful with it. Do a maximum chart here. Yeah. Let's see here, right here. We got here 26, okay? 26. I want to be around here. Right here is where I want to be, okay? Right there. 23.98, 24, right here, okay? This is where I want to be. This is where I'll buy her again, because this is on the way up is a resistance, but now it becomes a support right here, 24.90. But I'm not going to go in there. I'm going to wait, see if she falls even lower. 23.87, 24. That's where I'll buy her. She needs to fall. If she doesn't fall, I won't touch her. Okay, I'll leave her alone. Now, my anchor system, I could roll them, but I'm not going to roll them, because remember, I'm only going to roll them if they're on the positive. Okay, I'm going to let them get a sign. Now, they're all going to get a sign, which is fine because I only have 200 shares. Okay, so I want to get these 400 so I could bring it up to 600. So the only way I won't let them get a sign, if Misty, she goes back to 33, 34, then I'll roll it and collect. But if not, I'll let them get a sign. Like right now, she's at 28, 21. Now, I could go up to Misty here, okay, this one that's 29. I could roll this one right now and make money with it, but I'm not going to do that. You see, roll this position. Okay, I could move her to right there, February 21. Okay, and 29, and right there, a credit of $212. Okay, I mean I could get even more than that. Let's see here. Okay, I could get even more than that. Probably I could get, I don't know, maybe 300, leave it there sitting the whole day. But I don't want to do that. If I would want to, I could move her and collect. But I don't want to collect. I don't want to roll her. Okay, I'm going to let her get a sign. Okay, and that's what's happening with all these 30, 34. When everything comes in, I'm thinking my average, considering the distribution that I got and the payoff that I got when I got these options, my average is going to be around 25.50. I have to do the math. I have to wait for them to come in, and then we'll see how it is, okay? But that's what I'm going to do with them. I'm going to let them get a sign. I'm not going to touch them unless she goes up. And listen, remember, like I always say, this is not financial advice. This is the way I do things, okay? If you want to do it like this, you need to do your own research and come up with your own conclusions. Okay, this is the way I do it. And having said that, if you want to see how I get to that $1 million in 24 months, subscribe to the channel. And you're going to see the way I trade these ETFs, and only these ETFs now. And they're dangerous. You need to know what you're doing, because just nothing's happening today. Okay, look, I'll show you. Nothing's happening. 1.16 down. That's nothing. Okay, and look at this. One day, $500 down. Okay, nothing happened. This morning, it was at almost 36. Right? This morning, it went all the way down to $1,000. It dropped $1,000. Okay, and nothing's happening. What does that tell you? That tells you that if in a real down day, this portfolio is going to take a hit. Okay? Make no mistake about that. It's going to take a hit. So you need to know what you are doing. Okay? So you won't lose all your money. And I have average. I'll show you. Get out the way here again. I'm everywhere here. Let's see here. I didn't want to open this now. I don't know why, but for whatever reason, this doesn't want to open. Okay, it did. Okay, look, right there. I have $10,000 of margin before I get a margin call. Okay, 28%, $10,000. This needs to go down to 25. Okay, and then I get a margin call. So I'm not worried about that at all, because like I told you, if this goes down 6, 7, 8,000, I will deposit another $10,000 in the account, and that will be the end of that. But I'm able to do that. But if you're not able to do that, okay, then you need to be very careful with these, okay? Very careful. And if you're using margin, you definitely need to know what you're doing, okay? It's more important managing your money than actually trading. Because like I always say, everyone's guessing, okay? So anyways, let me get a drink of my coffee here. Ooh, so good. Tell me what you think about that portfolio. Tell me what you think about the anchor system. Fine. So, okay? And again, subscribe to the channel if you want to see how I trade them. And look here. SPY. I've been buying some SPY, okay? So I'm going to be buying some more SPY on support. Next support I'm going to buy is at 580. And then at 570, 540. I got them all written here. 520, 510, 500. Those are where I'm going to be doing some buying. Little by little. I'm going to build this one here. And wait for her to come down. So, anyways, I think I'm done here. So like I always say, may the winners be on our side. And I'll see you soon.